Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something fun and motivational. I'm turning my New Year's goals into a phone wallpaper. This way I can keep my resolutions front and center every day. I'll be using Canva to design it, and the whole process will be sped up so you can see how it comes together. Let's get started. The first thing I did was take a screenshot of my phone. That way I could upload it directly into Canva and get the exact measurements of what I would need for my wallpaper. You can also open Canva and choose the custom size for your wallpaper. I currently have an iPhone 12 and my dimensions for my wallpaper were 946 pixels by 2048 pixels. But again, I would strongly advise you just taking a screenshot and uploading that directly onto Canva if you're making your own. Once I got the exact dimensions and measurements, I started to get a feel of what the theme I was going for. I wanted to pick a theme that felt inspiring and also aligned with the vibe that I was going for next year. And that would leave the goals. I broke my goals down into a few key areas: personal growth, health, career, and creativity. For example, one of my goals is to travel more. So I added looking out of an airplane window as one of the pictures. That way it shows that I want to travel and also me being there. I also tried to make sure I'm adding pictures that show me actually in the view, like the person there. So I kind of kept that in mind when I'm adding pictures onto it. Canva has many different templates and graphics that you could use. They also have different elements and icons that you can add to it. I didn't really choose to do that in this particular wallpaper, but I feel like I will do that hopefully in the next one. I'm planning on doing one later on. But for this one, I wanted something more of a collage feel, and I didn't really want to add that. I thought about doing it with one of the elements that I did find. Well, one of the pictures I found, I was able to clear the background off of, and I played around with it for a little bit, but it just didn't work with what I was going for. The main goal for this wallpaper is that I wanted it to not just feel like my goals, but like to still give a feel of a vision board, just a constant reminder of things that I'm working towards. Like not only just things just focused on this year, but in my overall version of me that I'm wanting. So bigger goals. So I tried to put goals that I could obtain and that I would love to obtain in the upcoming year, but also goals that I could start and that I need to start in order to pivot to the overall me that I'm wanting. Once all of my goals were in place, I added some finishing touches. After that, I downloaded it and I set it on my phone as a wallpaper, and it was so satisfying. One, because again, I've had this wallpaper for a long time, and I did make that one as well. But just having that new one and something that can motivate me each day of what I'm working towards has been just a constant reminder. Even before New Year's even comes up now, it has been very insightful and motivating. So I just hope that this actually gives me something to keep it going throughout the years. I feel like I did a vision board last year, but actually having it will be a little bit easier for me, like on my phone that I see daily. And here it is, my goal wallpaper for 2025. It was so exciting having this as a daily reminder to stay focused and motivated. Let me know in the comments what your New Year's resolutions are. And if you're trying to make your own wallpaper too, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fun and creative content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.